Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are again together with a wonderful topic, the human eye. See, it is the most remarkable optical instrument considered. Okay, so today we will discuss its structure and function in detail. Okay, but before I start this, I want to say that whosoever has not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it for further videos. Okay, so let's start now. You can see I have drawn a very beautiful simplified structure of human eye for you people. I will start from the very basic. Okay, you can see there is a ball-like structure. This is called as eyeball. It is present well protected in the skull, in the socket of the human skull. Okay, this complete structure is called as the eyeball. Okay, starting from the outside, this outermost double wall layer, as you can see, this complete layer is transparent and it is called as the cornea. Its main function is to protect the human eye from the front, and also it allows the light to enter towards the lens. Okay, just inside, just after the cornea, you can see there is a aqueous humor. It is a semi-solid fluid which helps the eye content to keep moist and also for protection. Okay, just after the aqueous humor, you can see there is a slit-like structure. Slit means opening. This opening is called as the pupil. The function of pupil is to control the amount of light entering into the eye. Okay, just above and below this pupil there are the special muscles called as the iris. Iris helps to control the size of the pupil. When we are in the dim light or we are in the very bright light, then these two structures control the amount of light entering into the eye. Also, iris imparts color to the eyes. As you see now, some people have green eyes, blue eyes, or grey eyes, or black eyes. So that color of the eye is due to the color of iris. Okay. Just behind the iris, you can see there is a biconvex lens called as the eye lens. It is also made up of special type of transparent muscles which focuses the light on the backside and help us to see the things. Okay. Beside this eyeball is filled with vitreous humor. Vitreous humor is again a semi-solid jelly-like fluid which acts as a cushion inside it and helps the eye to be protected from any jerks or something like that. Okay. Just after this vitreous humor, you can see there is a shaded portion I have made, and this shaded portion is called as the retina. Retina is made up of special cells called as the rods and cones. The rod cells, they judge the intensity of light, and the cone cells, they help to recognize the colors. Okay, and at the end you can see there are the optic nerves. The function of optic nerves is to convert the signals collected by the eye lens in the form of images and take those electrical impulses to the brain for interpretation, and the brain tells us what object we are able to see. When the light falls on the lens through this pupil, the lens focuses the light on this retina that acts as a screen for the formation of image. From this retina, optic nerves converts them into electrical impulses. Electrical impulses go to brain. Brain interprets and tells us the object which is visible to us. So that was all about the human eye. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.